Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change skin tone in Canva in just a few clicks. So first things first, search Canva in any search engine that you use and click on the first link that pops up. So right here, I chose this color palette for a clearer visual of the skin tone color that you want. So you can also search for illustrations or elements with editable colors like person illustration or flat character. Click on one and if it's editable, you'll see color boxes on the top toolbar. So then click on the skin color box and choose a new tone from the default colors or use the color picker to get an exact match. Here's an example. Right here. And if it's a photo, not a graphic, you can use edit photo, adjust, then warmth or tint to shift tone slightly. But for real skin tone edits, stick to illustrations. So you can pick any color of your choice to match or to make the photo on the more skin tone side. And that's it. If this video helped you, click like and subscribe for more tutorials.